The reason why we're out here is so we can enjoy the fresh breeze of fresh air. You never been to the beach? Oh, yeah, I forgot. You're not from here. Yeah, the beach is a soothing place to relax and ease your mind, you know? Those aren't the only activities that you do. Well, there's building sandcastles, swimming, playing volleyball, picnics, working out, having a good time. That's all. If you want, we can come back here and have a picnic together. Come on, it will be fun. Trust me, this time I'll be the one to make the sandwiches, okay? Alright. We have a deal.